Tulungan natin ang kabataan, huwag tayong magkailangan. Paunlarin natin ang ating bayan, magsama-sama sa kaunlaran. Oh, 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 oh. Rita! Oh, oh, oh. Rita! Oh, oh, oh. Rita! Hahawakan ko ang iyong mga kamay, sasamahan ka sa dapat kalagyan. Liliparin natin ang iyong mga pangarap, sapagkat ikaw ang pag-asa ng bayan. Buhay ingatan, droga'y ayawan.
What is bida all about? Bida is something, buhay ingatan, droga ayawan. Hindi lang gagalaw rito ang pulis, ang PIDEA, ang NBI. Lahat tayo gagalaw. Do you know that 70% of all incarcerated, lahat nakakulong, are drug-related? At lahat, one-third of those who have served their sentence babalik. Sa bawat tatlong tapos na sentensya, bumabalik. So anong ginawa natin rito? Ang solusyon ay hindi gumawa ng bagong kulungan. The solution is not creating more jails. The solution is simple. Paglabas niyan, walang trabaho yan. Paglabas yan, walang tirahan yan. When a prisoner has already served his sentence, he has no work. Maybe he has no family. So what have we done? Through the BJMP, Ariel Rivera is here. Tayo po tayo. Ariel and the PNP, Natates, Nahum Tarosa of the BFP. You know what? Nakipagpirmahan kami. We signed a document with Department of Labor that all of those who will be released from prison will have skills training at magkakaroon silang trabaho for 1 year. They will have work for 1 year. And this will assure them probably that they will not go back to their old ways. This is what I'm telling you about. Number 2, we have this revitalized police program. Ano ito? It happened in Muntinlupa. We tried to find a place that is so drug-related, talagang so much drug problems, and they gave us one barangay. And the police, they assigned 10 policemen. 10. They went to that barangay, tumira doon, kumain doon, natulog doon, nakipagbarkada doon. They stayed in the barangay, they lived there, they ate there, they made friends with all of those from the barangay. Alam nila kung sinong gumagamit. Alam nila yung kailangan ng barangay. Karamihan wala raw birth certificate. Isang pamilya walang birth. Tinulungan nila. Yung mga batang hindi delayed mag-aral, naging tutor ang mga police. The police tutor those who have delayed in education. And you know what happened? After 1 year, drug cases almost really became zero. 8 focus crime all dropped. And that is the revitalized police program. Isang approach na talagang napaka-humane. Maraming salamat, PNP, General Acorda. At yan ang gagawin natin sa buong Metro Manila. Papayag ba tayo ng anak nating sinilang natin maski makagat ng lamok? Hindi tayo pumapayag. Bilang magulang, binibigay natin ang lahat para sa anak. At paglaki nito, bababuyin lamang ng droga. Hindi tayo papayag dito, mga kababayan, hindi ba? Tulungan natin ang pulis, ang PIDEA, ang NBI. At sa ilalim, bawat isa tayo may papel. Yan ang bida. Buhay ingatan, droga'y ayawan. At mananalo tayo sa gerang ito. Mabuhay kayo, mabuhay ang bida.
Dahil dito, bida ka.